so excited to show you guys what I got. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you a new review on this Quick Jack lift thingy-mabobber. Quick Jack, thank you very much for sending out this product for a review, and let's get into this video. So Quick Jack sent me the BL5000 SLX, and this is supposed to hold 5,000 pounds of, I don't know, car. I'm really excited because I needed a lift in here, but as you guys know, this garage doesn't have a high enough ceiling for me to actually put a lift, so this is the next best thing. This is gonna be so helpful. Hold on, fine. I should have probably used the scissors, but oh, there's more of these things. I mean, A+ for packaging, but damn. Alright, found one manual. We're going to keep it right here. And this is what it looks like so far. Came with this little wood plank. We're gonna rest it right over here. I have a wedding I have to go to tomorrow, so I can't risk scratching my nails right now because I just got them done. So I'm gonna put some gloves on to protect them. That is definitely a two-person job because I'm out of breath. Got everything out of the boxes, and this is what it came with. So I have both jacks, I have the compressor over here, I have all the hoses, they're female and male connectors, and I have all these blocks that I'm assuming go at each end so that you could raise the car. Just to let you guys know, this is a very thick manual, but they do say that there is a video online, so I'm probably gonna go watch that and save myself some time, but I am gonna skim through this and see what it says in here. One of the things that are on here that are super important is the setup checklist. So here you have everything that you're gonna need in order to do this install. So this is on page 14, and you definitely wanna go check this out first before anything. These are all the fittings that came with the kit, and they also provided some Teflon tape and 2 extra wheels just in case, I guess, the ones that you have break. So in the kit, you're gonna get 2 hydraulic elbow fittings that look like this, and they're gonna have 2 little plastic caps on each end, but you're gonna remove that. So one goes on one of these and the other one goes on the other jack. So you're gonna go ahead and leave this without Teflon tape. It doesn't need any type of tape. You're gonna go ahead and grab a 6mm hex key, and you're gonna remove the shipping plug that is on the hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic cylinder is the one that says Quick Jack on it. So you're gonna go ahead and turn it. You might have to take it off and bring it back up so it comes off like so. And once you take that off, you're gonna go ahead and use the O-ring side, which is right here, and you're going to fit it in. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. you're going to want to leave it a little bit up so that it has clearance once the jack starts moving. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a wrench to tighten this up. So it should look something like this, and if you guys are curious, the torque specs are also in the manual. It is right here. I'm going to be showing y'all how to do one side and how to connect all the fittings together, because the same steps are going to apply to that side as well. In the kit, you're going to get 4 hoses, 2 of which are going to be your short hydraulic hose, and we're going to focus on the male fitting, which is the one with the little clear plastic cap. Your male fitting is going to be this end right over here. We're going to go ahead and add some Teflon tape. You're going to want to wrap it around 3 times, making sure that you're not getting too much of it on the edge or at all on the edge. So that's 2. And then this is 3. And I'm going to cut off the excess. Okay, so it should look something like that. So I went ahead and connected the female side of the short hydraulic hose onto the elbow fitting here, and I'm gonna grab a 17 to tighten it. Obviously you're gonna want to torque to spec. Okay, so go ahead and just thread that on like so. You're gonna grab your 17 again. I don't know where I put it. It fits. You're gonna go ahead and tighten it like so. So it should look like this, and this is what the end of your short hydraulic hose should look like. Now, before I messed up while doing this, and that's why it's already done, but you're gonna go ahead and Teflon tape both ends, and you're gonna do this to the other one as well, but I'm only showing you one side. You're going to grab the female fitting and you're going to twist it on, all right? And you're going to do the same thing I did to the other one and tighten it. Now, if you really want to be exact, it's 10 to 11 foot-pounds of torque to get this correctly. You're going to go onto your compressor and take off these little red tabs. They just twist off, but if you're having a hard time, just grab some pliers or something to turn it like so. So it should come out like that. And they are already lubricated. I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten really aggravated in the last couple of minutes, and I'm gonna go grab a snack because I know I'm hangry. So I'm gonna go have my snack and then I'm gonna go back at it. So now that the wires are all put together and connected to your compressor, you're gonna go ahead and fill the air cylinder right over here. Each jack has one. You're gonna go ahead and put about 40 to 50 psi of air in here. Do not exceed 50 psi, and just know that you cannot use this jack until you put air in here. So I had to undo the hoses because I didn't have this hose going underneath the jack where the wheels are over here. So I went ahead and I did that. I disconnected the elbow fitting, and then I went ahead and moved it a little bit forward and then tucked that underneath so that I have it all laying down flat on the ground. So it's the same way over here on this side. We're gonna go ahead and use this gauge. It's a digital one, so we're gonna see how much air there is inside. And yes, I did buy a compressor just for this. Now that we have air in the system, we're gonna go ahead and put some transmission fluid in here, and you're gonna wanna fill this up to about 2.1 quarts or 2 liters of the approved liquid. I'm gonna show you what I've been using. I'm gonna go ahead and use this automatic transmission fluid. In the manual, it says that you can use hydraulic fluid or automatic transmission fluid before you begin the operation of your quick jack. So make sure that this is in your quick jack before starting, before doing anything, because you might break it if you do not do this step. Okay, so I have elevated both jacks with those little blocks that it came in. I'm gonna raise it, and then I'm going to start bleeding it from the cylinder over here. So just watch me. 2. Oh. Guess it's trying to send fluid everywhere. Oh. They got up. They got up. Okay, so I think I can start bleeding this one. I'm standing up on this is because the jack needs to have weight. It's not recommended for you to lift these with no weight on them. So here we go. Oh. It's going up slowly, but it's working. Guys, I have this side as well with some weight. Granted, this has more weight than my body weight, I think, but I didn't want to leave it without anything, so I put my old 350Z tires on there. But this is what it should look like when it is fully engaged. As you guys can tell, it's been a couple of weeks since I've actually finished this video. It's been very difficult considering the circumstances. If you guys haven't watched my live stream explaining what happened, I suggest you go over there and just look through it so you guys can see why I disappeared for almost 3 weeks. I want to thank all my McNuggets. I love you guys so very much, and I really appreciate you guys giving me the time to just mourn and heal and be by myself. I want to give a huge shout out to Quick Jack. Thank you so much for sending me out these jacks. I'm going to put them to really good use considering the winter is coming and I'm going to be in the garage a lot more. So if you guys want to go ahead and get your own pair of Quick Jacks, I'm going to leave the link down below where you guys can go check that out. If you guys want to go check out more behind the scenes, or if you guys want to see more of me, go follow me on Patreon or go follow me on Instagram at Macbeth. Pretty much all my social media is the same as my YouTube name, so go ahead, check me out. I'm gonna leave all the links down below where you guys can go see all that. Anywho, I am actually pretty hungry and I'm gonna go out and eat. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye.